Hi there guys and girls. I have here another set of empty boxes. We are here in Taytay Rizal, Barangay San Juan. Hello. Welcome to my day 13 of selling my scraps, junkies there at the junk shop. I am very much happy and glad because almost clear inside in my house and I can move freely. I can walk easily. No more streets, no more barricades. And what I have done this morning, I soaked my dirty clothes 10 pieces in detergent bar, and then tomorrow I'm gonna wash it. So here we are. Where are you people? Hi Ate Salve, how's your day? She's just alone. There's the one. There's the other one. So guys and girls, if you have ay ba't sinira mo yung ano? Pwede pa magamit siya. Carton. So yun. Sorry. So for how much that would be? If you have empty boxes or other junkies, you can sell it at the junk shop, for it will turn into money. Malamig. Is it? For how much? How many kilos?
48.
Wala, wow. See that guys, not bad. How are you? Bye for now. Shout out to each every one of you. Thank you Lord for all the wonderful blessings that you gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I passed. Shout out to my mga people kay Abordo and to each every one of you. Okay, bye for now.